This demo is going to look at the reverse issue date override feature in WilloWare's manufacturing PowerPack. Reverse issue date override provides some additional options for controlling the date on which a manufacturing reverse issue transaction puts that inventory back into stock. What manufacturing normally does is shown here. Inventory that is received in June and then issued to a manufacturing order in August and then reversed issued in September is put back into inventory on the original inventory receipt date. So that reverse issue transaction that posts in September puts the inventory back into stock in June. Oftentimes what people would prefer to have happen is that reverse issue transaction puts the inventory back into stock in September, or it puts it back into stock in August, going back in on the date on which it was originally issued. So let's take a look at this reverse issue date situation in action inside GP. I've got a simple bill of materials for 100 XLG that just has this single item on it. And you can see down here that I've already done a couple of transactions. The first MO issued material and it pulled it out of this 6/15 receipt date. And then I moved the date forward in GP to 5/31/2017 and did a reverse issue transaction for that material, that single unit that I had just issued. As you can see, it went back into stock on 6/15/2015, even though the date in GP was 5/31/2017. So then I enabled our reverse issue date override feature, put the date back to 4/12/2017, issued another unit, so that brought us up to 2, then moved the date forward to 5/31/2017 again, and reverse issued the material. So you can see with our reverse issue date override activated, that caused that inventory to be put back into stock on the posting date of the reverse issue transaction. So let's take a look at a couple of examples of this reverse issue date situation. So I've got a special manufacturing bill of materials, or an archive bill of materials, set up with just that single component on it. And we're going to perform this transaction on 4/12/2017. Alright, so we've selected our material. We'll add that to the pick document. And you can see the date up here is 4/12/2017. And now when we come back and look at the purchase receipts for this item, you can see that the quantity sold has increased to 3. So we pulled one unit out of this layer and issued it to that manufacturing order. So now we'll move forward to June 1st, 2017. We'll create a reverse issue transaction. And you can see the date on the transaction is 6/1/2017. We'll select that component that we had issued, add it to the pick document, and then we'll post. Now at this point, reverse issue date is not enabled, so this will be the normal GP manufacturing behavior. So we'll come back in and look at the receipts for this item. So now you can see that it shows that 3 that is still sold, but now we've got this additional receipt. So now we'll turn on the reverse issue date override. There are several options here that you can use for the date. We're going to use the reverse issue transaction date. You could also set it to the issue transaction date. The normal GP behavior is to use the original receipt date. Let's change the date back first. So April 17th, 2017. We're going to do a new issue transaction, 4/17/2017. We'll select our item, add to the pick document and post. And we'll go back and look at those receipts again. You can see that the quantity sold has increased to 4. So now we're going to go forward to June 1st. And we'll do a reverse issue. And you can see our date is 6/1/2017. Add to pick doc and post. And come back in and look at those receipts again. And now you can see that that reverse issue transaction went back into inventory on the posting date of that reverse issue rather than the original receipt date of the inventory. If you'd like to learn more about this software or any of the other WilloWare products, please visit our website at willowware.com or send us an email at sales@willowware.com.